Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, MacFam channel, and we're here in Makati Circuit. We just have a short ride after work, so samahan nyo kami magpapawis. Let's get it on! So guys, medyo somehow matao, pero so-so lang. I mean, hindi ganun ka OA. Hindi ganun katulad ng MOA complex na sobrang crowded. Tapos mas presko yung dating. Well, I guess kasi hapon naman. And specifically weekday siya, so technically wala talaga masyadong tao. Medyo malamig na rin yung simoy ng hangin kasi nga siguro dahil nagpapasko na rin December. So we're planning to make it a habit na our everyday routine na magpapawis, magbike at least twice or thrice a week. I guess okay na yung ganun. Parang lang kahit pa paano may activity kami ginagawa to lessen the stress. Somehow yung pagod sa bahay and work, stuff like that. So ayan, ito pinto muna kami.
Such a nice place. I wish we can bring the dude here.
Yes, we will. Once paging okay na lahat, or else dadalhin natin yung sasakyan, dadalhin natin yung bike niya, tayo naman jog. Hindi tayo magbabike, so siya lang nakabike kasi hindi na wala tayong paglalagyan eh. Yeah.
May I borrow the complete?
Sure. So kayo din guys, kung may extra naman kayo, marami namang bike na pasok sa budget. Ayun nga, marami namang bike na pasok sa budget, so pwede kayong bumili or magbuo para man lang kung naka-work from home kayo or anything na medyo mabigat na yung buhay-buhay, kailangan natin pagpawisan. So I guess this is the best thing to do. At the same time, nakakalabas ka na, nakakapag-socialize ka pa, so it's better. So from here, galing dun sa bahay namin, nabiyahe lang naman siya, I guess mga 15 to 20 minutes. Malapit lang naman siya. I guess this is yung pinakamalapit na pwede namin puntahan from bahay na pwedeng pagbikan, pagpatsakay. Kaninang medyo may araw pa, medyo lesson yung tao, pero ngayong medyo makalimlim na. Ayan, makikita nyo naman medyo padami na sila ng padami, which is okay lang, tolerable, hindi katulad ng MOA na sobrang OA. So yun, okay ka lang dyan? Diba? Mas tahimik, mas peaceful. Actually, today is Bonifacio Day, right? So today is holiday. So later. somehow may katulad siya. Paano ko ba sasabihin? Meron siyang kahalin tulad. Kung alam niyo yung Ayala Triangle, so para siyang gano'n. Ang sarap ng hangin. Let's go. Nanay, excuse me. Thank you po. Yes. Na. More practice pa, more practice. More practice. Wala eh. Pwede. Alright, so we're going
to go home. Bye-bye.
It's going home. I will end the vlog here, and thank you for tuning again. See you on the next videos. Shout out sa 86 subscribers natin. Kapit lang. And again, thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Please take care, because I care. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. Ciao.